Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Gemini AI to improve your YouTube SEO in 2025. So from titles to tags to descriptions, Gemini can actually help boost your visibility fast. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to search for gemini.google.com. Over here, you need to just log in into your account and you are done logging in. Now, in order to generate SEO optimized titles, you will have to provide certain prompts. So for SEO, you can type this type of prompt which says, write 5 SEO friendly YouTube titles for a video about beginner fitness tips. After that, you need to just press enter here and let Gemini generate keyword rich options based on your topic. Now, if you want to get the keyword research from Gemini AI, you can type this prompt that says, write a 150 word of YouTube description for a video on passive income, include a relevant keyword and a call to action. So this will actually help you rank in search and improve the watch time with clear summaries. If you want to generate hashtags, you can type this prompt that says, give me 10 trending YouTube tags for each tech review video on the latest iPhone. So you can copy these directly into your upload setting and you can adjust based on your niche. If you want to improve the video script for SEO, you can ask Gemini to help with your actual video content. For that, you can type this prompt that says, create a 1-minute YouTube intro script for a video with budget travel and include the keyword cheap travel tips 2025 naturally. So this will help YouTube algorithm connect your spoken content with your metadata. You can make the refinements or changes into these prompts based on the industry or the domains or the channel you are in. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.